Welcome to a quick tour of the ProWritingAid Web Editor. Let's get started. When you open up the Web Editor, you'll see a few different panels. On the left-hand side, you will see all your documents. You can hide this panel at any time by clicking here. If you'd like to re-expand the panel, just click the arrow again. You can find goals and improvements related to your specific document type on the right-hand side. I'll talk about this panel in more detail shortly. Just like the document sidebar, you can expand or hide this panel at any time. The top bar shows all the ProWritingAid reports. We'll cover those in more detail soon. There are a few ways to enter text into the web editor. You can start typing to begin writing in the web editor itself. You can also paste text from another source or click here to upload a document. When you upload a document, you'll retain formatting from your original document. It might look slightly different when you upload it into ProWritingAid, but your formatting will still be there when you export your document at the end of your editing session. Today I'll work with a sample text. Once you've input your text, you'll see suggestions for improvements begin to populate in real time. Real-time suggestions relate to style, spelling, grammar, and passive voice. Hover over an underlined phrase to see the suggestion. You can click to accept it or press ignore if it doesn't fit your purpose. From the real-time checker, you can also access our rephrase feature. Rephrase suggests different versions of your original text, helping you find the right words fast. Just highlight a sentence, click, and rephrase. The tool suggests different versions of your original text, but you can also rephrase your sentences in a specific way. For example, make them shorter, longer, formal, or informal. You can use rephrase to find inspiration or improve how your writing sounds. For additional advanced suggestions to improve your writing, check out the Goals sidebar located on the right-hand side of your screen. The sidebar gives you information on goals for your specific text, as well as advanced suggested improvements you can make. You can change your document type at the top of the real-time sidebar. Changing your document type will allow you to see custom suggestions specifically for what you're writing. Select the document type that most closely matches what you're working on. Once you've selected the appropriate document type, the Goals sidebar will show you how your writing measures up to other texts in that genre. Each goal in the sidebar corresponds to an important type of improvement for your document type. The band shows the average range for text in your genre. The tick mark shows if you're in the average range band or outside of it. If you'd like to see more information about a specific goal, click the goal's name. You will now see improvements that relate specifically to that goal in the sidebar and in your text. You can hover over any suggestion to see what it recommends and decide whether or not to accept it. Once you're done, hit the X in the top right corner of the panel to close out those suggestions and return to the real-time report. You can also access the full range of ProWritingAid reports by clicking on each report's individual icon on the top panel. Simply press the report's icon and you'll see all the information for this report populate. Prefer to write without suggestions? Simply click the real-time button and your suggestions will disappear. Tap it again when you're ready to edit. Once you've finished your editing session, hit Menu in the top left corner to save or export your document. Happy editing!